In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 Network Adapter Code 10. If you're seeing the Code 10 device cannot start error for your network adapter, it usually points to a temporary glitch or a driver issue. We'll walk through a quick reset of the adapter and then have Windows search for the best available driver. Follow along carefully, and you should be back online in just a few minutes. Start by opening the Quick Link menu. Press the Windows key and X on your keyboard, then click Device Manager from the list that appears. This opens the central place where Windows manages your hardware. Inside Device Manager, look for Network Adapters and expand it by clicking the small arrow to the left. You'll see a list of adapters installed on your PC. If you use Wi-Fi, look for entries with words like wireless, Wi-Fi, or WLAN. If you use a wired connection, look for Ethernet or the brand name of your network card. Choosing the correct adapter here matters, so take a moment to identify the one you actually use. Now, right-click your network adapter and select Disable Device. If a confirmation prompt appears, approve it. Your internet will drop briefly. This is expected. Disabling the adapter turns it off and clears temporary faults that can trigger the Code 10 error. Give it a few seconds to fully power down. Next, right-click the same adapter again and choose Enable Device. This brings the adapter back online and prompts Windows to reinitialize the hardware and driver. Watch your network icon in the taskbar. It may take a moment to reconnect. This simple off and on cycle often resolves the error by resetting the device's state. With the adapter enabled, right-click it once more and select Update Driver. In the window that opens, click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now look on your computer and through Windows Update for a more compatible or newer driver. Let it run. This may take a minute or two. If Windows finds a driver, allow it to install. You may be asked to approve changes or to restart. Follow any on-screen instructions. Why this works. Code 10 typically means the device failed to start correctly, often due to a corrupted or mismatched driver or a minor hardware initialization issue. Disabling and enabling performs a soft reset, and updating ensures Windows is using the most suitable driver for your hardware. When everything completes, test your connection by opening a web page or checking your network status. If the error is gone and you're back online, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you fix the Windows 11 Network Adapter Code 10 error quickly and confidently.